At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an apothecary business can be a rewarding venture if you're passionate about herbal remedies, natural products, and holistic wellness. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Study the market to understand the demand for natural remedies and herbal products in your area. Identify your target audience and their needs. Research local regulations and permits required to operate an apothecary business. 2. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, products, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Determine your startup costs, including expenses for inventory, permits, rent, and marketing. Forecast your revenue and expenses for the first few years. 3. Choose a location. Consider opening a physical store in a location with high foot traffic or an area known for holistic wellness practices. Alternatively, you can start online and later expand to a physical location. 4. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Check with your local government about the permits and licenses required to sell herbal products and supplements. Ensure compliance with regulations regarding labeling, packaging, and advertising. 5. Source suppliers. Find reputable suppliers of organic herbs, essential oils, and other natural ingredients. Consider partnering with local farmers or growers for fresh, organic produce. 6. Develop your product line. Create a diverse range of herbal remedies, skincare products, teas, tinctures, and supplements. Ensure that your products are of high quality and ethically sourced. 7. Brand your business. Choose a memorable name and create a distinctive brand identity that reflects the values of your apothecary. Design a logo, packaging, and marketing materials that convey a natural, holistic aesthetic. 8. Set up your store. If opening a physical store, create an inviting and organized space for displaying your products. Consider adding consultation areas where customers can receive personalized wellness advice. 9. Market your business. Utilize social media, your website, and local advertising to promote your apothecary. Offer workshops, seminars, and events related to herbalism and holistic wellness to attract customers. 10. Provide excellent customer service. Train your staff to provide knowledgeable and friendly assistance to customers. Build relationships with your customers and offer personalized recommendations based on their needs. 11. Monitor and adapt. Regularly evaluate your sales and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt your product offerings accordingly. Starting an apothecary business requires dedication, research, and a genuine passion for natural health and wellness. By following these steps and staying committed to your vision, you can build a successful and fulfilling enterprise. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.